What's going on, YouTube? I'm back with another video. In this video, we're going to be installing the new ADDW1 version 3.3 with the 3-port design on my G35. Now, let me open this box, see what's in it, and see what all tools we're going to need for this. So these are the tools you're going to need. You're going to need a set of screwdrivers, a 2.5mm Allen key for these upper bolts. You're going to want a 10mm on a wrench, a pair of pliers, and a 3/8 drill bit. We got the new ADDW1 3-port design. It comes with a new bracket. This bracket goes on the car over here by the power steering reservoir. It actually replaces the bracket for the factory reservoir. And down here it comes with the hoses that you're going to need, and then also some check valves and a bunch of clamps. They provide a diagram for the VQ engine, and you basically just follow this diagram. The single port goes to the valve cover, and then the dual ports, one goes to the intake right there, and then the other one goes up to the intake muffler by the throttle body up there. And the reason for the dual port designs is because at mid-range RPM and at idle, there's different vacuum flow on the engine, and this design is just designed to clean your engine at all RPMs. When you're at wide open throttle, this line equalizes with atmospheric pressure, and then your engine will build up crankcase pressure and burn oil. That's the purpose for this line. So when this line equalizes to atmospheric pressure, this line will draw vacuum from in front of the throttle body, cleaning your engine at all RPMs. Let's get to it. I'll throw you guys on the tripod and we'll install this thing on the car. Okay, so I found out you actually need a short 10mm socket to get to these bolts on this bracket, or a 10mm wrench. I'm just going to use the 10mm wrench. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take the old rubber bushings out of this bracket and then put them in the new bracket, and then put the new bracket on the car in place of where the old bracket was. Alright, so got the bracket on the car. Next thing would be to take the catch can and mount the catch can up to it like that through those two top bolts, the 2.5mm. Yeah, let's get to it. Alright, so we got the new catch can in the car with the new bracket and the power steering pump in the bracket as well. Now it's time to put the hoses on the car following this diagram. So that means that this factory hose right here, you guys can just rip off. And then just get rid of that, because we don't need that hose no more. And then we're gonna go from the valve cover. We go from the valve cover to the single port right here. And then we're gonna take our other hose from one of the dual ports, go to the intake manifold right here to right there. And then the third one is gonna go in the last port, and then around the back side of your engine. And then I'm going to drill the hole on the bottom side of my coupler, because I don't want it on the top side, because I feel like it wouldn't look very good. So we got all these lines ran. This one going to the valve cover, this one going to the intake manifold, and then this one is up and over there. Make sure you put these check valves in and make sure they are pointing in that direction. If you don't put these check valves in, if this canister overfills, it'll suck oil into your engine. So I gotta take the intake off, get this coupler off, and I'll show you where to drill the hole for the fitting. Got the coupler off. It's normally up here. It's on about, so you can see right in between those two. I'm thinking about drilling in between those two, like right in the center. Around right there. I got the fitting in the intake boot. It was pretty difficult to actually fit this in here, but maybe that's a good thing, so I know it's sealed. We put it on the hose right here that goes all the way over to the catch can, and then just install your intake as normal. Finally got the catch can installed on the G35. Looks pretty good. I like the red on it. I honestly wish I would have got the drain for this thing, because it's going to be pretty hard unscrewing this in the car. So I'm probably going to end up ordering the drain kit for it that comes with a tube and a valve, so I can easily drain it. But yeah, not too bad of an install. It was actually pretty easy in my opinion. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, drop a like and a comment down below. Please share this video to anybody that you may know. It'll help me get it out to bigger audiences. And with that, until next time.